how to turn off media visibility on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off media visibility on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner and click settings, and here you will find this one chats, and here if you want to turn it off all you need to do is just click on it one click, and that's it. Now just go back here, it will be saved, and that's how to turn off media visibility. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.